2014 we have adopted the Companies Act 2013, and as per the mandate, that is the mandatory spend would be 2% of the average net profit of the preceding 3 years. The average net profit and the CSR budget, in fact, if I very specifically mention, it was 81.41 lakhs. We did not do well in the previous financial years, but then in spite of that, we had been doing it voluntarily. But this year, the 2% was up to, it worked out to rupees 81.41 lakhs. And what we did in FY 2016-17 was, the focus was Swachh Bharat, because as per the mandate of the government, 33% of the funds are to be spent on Swachh Bharat activities. We have had toilets constructed, toilets, not only toilets, drinking water facilities and hand washing facilities for government schools in Odisha. Apart from that, we have had installation of hand pumps in remote areas of Uttar Pradesh. Apart from that, if I talk about the non-33%, the balanced amount, a part of it was used for creating a healthcare facility in Odisha. This area was basically dominated by tribals, so there weren't any facility for the healthcare. And apart from this, there was a contribution made to the National Sports Development Fund and also to Special Olympics Bharat for the Olympics in Austria, as well as the Olympics there in Rio. If I talk about other activities, there was a contribution made to an NGO for the Clean Ganga campaign, and we also have skill development activities being undertaken in Delhi. That is through an NGO, Deepchand Society, where we have given tailoring coaching to say 25 women and girls in North Delhi. 2017-18, we are being a little positive, and the prospective budget would exceed 1 crore. But like I mentioned earlier, that we have 33% allocated towards the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and besides that, we have our own CSR. In our CSR policy, it's mentioned that 20% of your CSR budget will go towards development of sports. So 33% towards Swachh Bharat, 20% towards sports. The rest would obviously be, since the focus areas of MMTC have been education, skill development, healthcare, and environment conservation, of course. So the balance would be channelized between these four. We are not yet sure about the CSR allocations. I think by the end of the year we'll be more clear about what the profit has been and what the CSR budget, final budget would be. Based on that, we will do the allocations. Say something that is done in 2016-17, but before that, what we had done, whatever waste that is generated in MMTC and in MMTC housing colony, that is given to an NGO that specializes in waste management. What this NGO does is it collects the waste, it does all the shredding and the segregation, a lot of composting that is done, and goods are even recycled. So whatever is for example, the compost that is produced or the recycled goods that are produced, these are sold, and whatever is the sale proceeds, that is used for the education of the children of the rag pickers. So we are not only creating a green, livelihood for the rag pickers, because that is more channelized, but apart from that, we are also focusing on the education of their children in various slum areas.